pancakes are a fun fall breakfast idea. Let's make some.
Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands.
In a large bowl, you're going to combine 1 cup of regular flour and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Now, if you don't have any whole wheat flour, go ahead and use your regular flour. You're going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Take a whisk and combine these dry ingredients. Okay, now let's set that aside and let's combine our wet ingredients. We're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of pumpkin puree, 1 3/4 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs slightly beaten. Then we're going to combine all of these wet ingredients together. Now we have our wet ingredients combined, we're going to pour them into the bowl of our dry ingredients. And then we're going to combine this. You may need a spatula to kind of scrape down your sides. Now you want to make sure when you're making pancakes not to over mix. We just want it moist. Once you have your pancake batter made, you're going to want to use a skillet or a griddle and slightly grease the top of it. And then you're going to spoon your batter. I like to use a ladle. It makes it a little bit neater. So I'm going to just make 3 pancakes here. There's 1. There's 2. And 3. So we're going to let these cook until we start to see some bubbles popping on top. Then we'll know it's time to turn them over. You're going to want to cook these over medium heat. All right, we're starting to bubble and our edges are starting to get dry, so we're going to flip our pancakes over. And we're going to continue to cook these until they're golden brown on the other side. All right, our pancakes are brown and ready to take off. Now you can top your pancakes with regular pancake syrup or maple syrup if you like, or use some powdered sugar. Just like that. I hope you enjoy.
Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.